Hey everyone, welcome to day 13 of Nailmas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fun little candy cane inspired quarter foil perfect for this time of year. So as my white, I'm going to be using Nails Ink Whiteout in addition to also using acrylic paint. Then for my red polish, I'm using Glaze's Ho Ho No. Then for my gold, I'm using China Glaze's Merry Whatever. Both of these China Glazes are from the New Grinch collection. So on your first nail, of course, you want to start off with the white that you were going to use for your art base. And then once that is dry, it is time to start in on the main design. For this, I am using the red that I just mentioned. And as you guys can see, I'm using a large dotting tool to create 4 dots that connect and kind of create a plus sign. And I want to do this all over the nail and have them connect at their points, which I think will make more sense as you guys see it happen. So for my nail size, using a large dotter, I usually get about 3 of these little clusters in a row. So as you can see, I started with the middle one, and then I went down, and then I went up. That is what works best for me. And if I start in the middle, I'm guaranteed or close to guaranteed that it will be centered for the whole design, which is really nice. So I would suggest starting in the middle. And then I'm basically repeating that step as the column goes down on the side, and I will do it for the other side as well. Now after that is done, I'm going to go in with a very fine brush and to take the same red and kind of create these little lines coming out of the plus sign. This gives it a very quarter foily like look. However, later on we'll be kind of changing the design from the traditional one, but this is like your traditional quarter foil look. Now once your red is dry, it is time to go in with some white acrylic paint I found really good to be for this part. And we're going to be doing the same steps that we did earlier to create the big plus sign, but with a smaller dotting tool, and we're going to be doing it within the red section. And you just want to repeat this step on all of the little clusters. And once that is done, technically if you wanted to be done, you could top coat and call it a day and have a full-on traditional quarter foil nail. However, I felt like it would be fun to take it to the next level. Granted, this whole like red and white candy cane feel is super fun and festive without being in your face festive, but you know, I wanted a little extra glitter, so that is what we're going to be doing next. Now I am adding golden glittery dots in the center of each of these little segments or clusters, whichever you want to call them, and I feel like that really just makes it. So once I have done that on all of the areas, we're going to let this dry, and then we are going to add top coat and you will have a complete design. And here is your full and final look at this design. I feel like this is super fun. It's festive without being too much. It's not too in your face. And it's pretty simple but looks super complex, which is one of my favorite things about this design, which is probably why if you've been a viewer for a long time, you've actually seen me show you guys how to do this before. But I just felt like it'd be really fun for Nailmas to do a candy cane theme and then add some golden glitter, because golden glitter it's just fun, right? So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed day 13. Again, I say this in every video, but I can't believe how far we are into this. I'm having so much fun. Gonna be a little sad while it's over, but also there's like so much excitingness coming afterwards that I'm okay with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and I cannot wait for tomorrow. I'm so excited for you guys to hear about some things going on, and that's it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with some exciting information.